good systems architect is in fact a technical leader. Technical background, curiosity in technology, and but able to communicate and to connect the different people that are working on the technology, typically at multidisciplinary level. That's what a systems architect is about. So not deep in the technology, you should be able to understand the technology, but it's more coordinating the multidisciplinary level. If you are already active in this role as a systems architect or would like to make that step to a systems architect, connecting the multidisciplinary level, being the technical lead, but you are interested in what this role really is about, try to discover all the aspects of this playing field, then this 5-day systems architecting training touches upon all these blocks of activities and things that are important for this role. The 5 days of the system architecting training, in fact a full week, is a program with all kinds of aspects that are important for the systems architect role. First day is about the organization. What is your position in the organization and the people around you? So what is the playing field that you're in? In the afternoon we will talk about role, responsibilities, activities of the systems architect. We talk also about early feedback, agile kind of aspects. The second day is about requirements, super important starting point for doing a project. What are the requirements about? And we will also touch upon how to communicate easily with your peers, with people in your team, and what are the tools that help you to do that. Day number 3, the CAFCR framework, a very helpful tool from various viewpoints, trying to connect the solution to the problem domain and how to reason about it. That's what we touch upon in day 3. Day 4, system integration. It's easy to make a decomposition, but how to integrate it together to a successful system. The human aspect, the communication, bilateral, in a team, multi-team, multi-site, multicultural aspects, but also the roadmap. An architect makes decisions for a project, a system, but how about maybe derived systems or projects? And the decisions that you make right now, what is the impact to possible derived systems? And not to forget the business aspect. That's typically on a Friday morning. We will touch upon the business case. Decisions that you make have an impact on material, on components, but on engineering efforts, and it all boils down to the investment to be done and hopefully also the value that you can gain with the system, the process, or whatever that you are responsible for, and able to pitch that to management. It's all connected in a case. It starts with already the first day, a one-liner, a let's say back of the envelope description of a problem, and in a group of 4 people you work throughout the week towards something that you're going to present and towards in a pitch to the trainer as a kind of a pitching to management final, let's say, exercise. So throughout the week you work on this case, and there are lots of little, let's say, opportunities and blocks where you work in this group together to build it up, from the first idea to the requirements, using the CAFCR framework and being able to consolidate in a presentation, in a pitch, so that you can convince management in a role play kind of setting, in a 10-minute session, about the value of this work that you created with your group. If this has woken up your interest in this training, this 5-day training, intensive training, then of course you can find information on our website, but also like to welcome you in one of our trainings, me or one of my colleagues, in this systems architecting training.